These are the 4 transformers that came out of the lights that were on that light pole. Already got one taken apart. I think they're both copper pieces because they're both really heavy. Not sure exactly how much the weight is, but after I get them all taken apart, I'll weigh the copper, show you guys how much copper it is. So the first one came apart pretty easy. A lot of time the smaller transformers I find are a big pain in the ass to try to take apart. Bigger ones seem to be a bit easier. These things are gotta be like 50 pounds each or something. Anywhere from 40 to 60, I'd say. Maybe closer to 50 to 60 pounds on each one. So I'm just going along this weld, or these 2 welds right here, and hitting it with the hammer right on the weld. Just using a regular small hammer, hitting it right on the weld like that, on an angle, coming away. And most of the time it breaks loose pretty easy. So let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Normally I have my steel toe boots on, but I forgot them today. So hopefully I don't hit myself in the foot too bad. So these pieces just fall right off. So I do that. Turn it around, do the same thing on this side, and then actually I guess I can do it all without stopping the video. So once you get it to this point, you just go ahead, turn it around, and you have to hit the bottom piece there, right here, with the hammer, downwards like this. Break that loose, and then you can get to the next one. In between it is little bits of steel that will just fall out once you push the smaller piece of copper off. Not sure if I can do this one while holding the camera, so I just hold it like that with one hand and swing the hammer at the top, push that away. In there. Wedged in there right now, but do the same thing on this side. Put it to there, hit that with the hammer. There's the piece, came off. Same thing, turn it around again. Hit this side with a hammer, go back to that side, back and forth until that small piece comes off. That piece is off. Now this one here, just stand up that way and hit down on each side. gotta kind of hold it up on an angle like this, hit that side, spin it over to the other side, back and forth once again until it comes off. And then I'll go ahead do these other two as well, and I'll update you with the finished product, and I'll try to get a weight on all of the copper. Here's all the copper. I brought it all home. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the tape and plastic off of this. Finished taking all the tape and everything off. A little bit, like this one was burnt, so that stuff's really stuck on there. So I scraped it off as best as I can. It's all going to be sold as number 2 copper anyways, because it has some sort of enamel on it. So the scrapyard I sell it to doesn't mind if there's a little bit of tape like this when it's going for number 2. So we'll go ahead and stick it all on this scale. Have to put everything in a bag because the scale only weighs one thing at a time. Once you put something on, it beeps and then flashes and it shows you the weight, so I can't keep adding stuff. 34.8. So 35 pounds, number 2 copper, all from those 4 transformers. So that's pretty good. I almost forgot to take a quick clip of this wire. This is all the wire that came from the light poles. So this is the wire before, and there it is after. So I got a scale right here. Go ahead and throw it on this scale. £5, 8 ounces. So pretty much exactly 5.5 pounds. Really didn't take that long to strip because I like to use this piece of wood with a hole in it, or with holes in it. Do the screw up until it touches the casing and barely touches the copper itself. And then you just pull it through. And go ahead and pull the casing off. So, once again, thanks for watching.